Hey, what are you working on today?
My car.
Well, you gotta look at me.
My car.
What car? We have so many.
The Dodge Dart.
Working on Dodge. What did you just do?
I took out the seats.
Yeah, you got the right wrench and you got all the bolts out by yourself. Dad had to help you carry it, right? Let's pull up that carpet. Let's pull it up and see what kind of damage we got underneath of there. I think it'll pull out of there. No? All right. Go get a screwdriver. Philip said. Get those kick plates off of there. Are you ready? Save those for now, okay? We'll probably eventually get new ones, but not right away. Did you find it? Did you find the one you dropped?
Yeah, I have it.
Because we don't want to run over it with a car, right? It's pretty new carpet, huh?
Dirty though.
Yeah, dirty. Let's set that to the side. And I guess come over here and do this side. And we'll pull this first piece of carpet up. See what's underneath.
I can't put these stuff
You gotta do this other kick plate.
I know, I'm putting the screws in my pocket.
Okay. Show me the back of your head. So what we'll do is we put all those screws in a little baggie and we tape the baggie to both of those kick plates and put them in the garage. Save them for later. Okay? So we know it all goes to the right spot. What color do you think this car was originally?
Green.
Why do you think that?
It is.
What is this part of the car called? Do you remember?
The door.
The door jamb. All right, pull that carpet out, roll it up in like a roll, and we'll put it in the garage. Cool. So the guy did a patch job, not an actual floor pan. You see that?
Yeah.
Which is okay, other than it looks like it's made of ductwork from underneath, not very thick. So we're gonna have to undo those.
Tape.
You hear me?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to pull those up. Yeah, they're not thin enough. So, yeah, they're not the proper.
That whole floor.
They probably had a floor shifter there at some point.
Why did you take it out?
I don't know, but we'll take a look.
So does that mean we could just pull it in there?
Maybe. We'll see. But we're gonna have to get. We're gonna have to definitely get front floor pans in here.
Alive.
cool. It's kind of a bummer. I was hoping he did a better job than that. But he
There's a
didn't.
stink bug right there.
Yeah, I'm not worried about this stink bug, are you?
Mm.
All right, let's put those, why don't you go get a couple sandwich baggies, bag all the screws, tape them to those kick plates and put them in the corner of the garage, huh? Good job. We'll get the back seat out next.
Okay.
All right, I wrestled the bottom out because it's difficult. Can you pull it out by yourself?
Oh, there's a seatbelt.
I know, I was kind of shocked to find seat belts because the guy said he took them all out.
Okay.
But those ones, yeah, you can do it. This one's not heavy. See if you can put it out there. Don't hit the other cars with it. Just sit it out there out of the way, okay? You want to roll up this carpet too? Where did you put the carpet at?
I just set it right here.
The other one that's out there?
It's just right here.
Oh. When you take it out, if you roll it up, you can bag it and save it for putting it back. It's not in terrible shape. Alrighty.
Oh, we could put one in here.
Probably.
Yeah.
That's probably what that is.
Yeah.
All right. See if your wrench that you already have set up will fit this back seat. Hey.
Yeah.
See if your wrench you already have will fit the
Oh,
back
where
seat
is it?
bolts. I don't know. Where did you leave it? Underneath the car?
Okay.
See if that's the right size. It looks a little big. I don't know.
Yeah, branch won't.
Is it the right size?
Yeah.
Really? Are they that loose?
Huh?
I don't know.
No.
Is it too big?
No, it's not too big. It's bed is blocking it.
Here, take the socket off and try it with your fingers. See if it's truly the right
You-
size. It looks a little big for me. Just
you-
pull it off the extension real hard. There we go.
Yeah, it's a little big.
All right, go get one size smaller than that one.
Okay, that's a
What size is that?
half.
Hmm?
1/2.
1/2. Okay.
So many stink bugs. What are all these extra holes for?
Do you remember why we're taking all these seats out?
I'll put some protective stuff in here.
Yeah, we wanted to inspect the floor pans.
Tar?
It's kind of like a seal tar stuff, yeah. We wanted to inspect the floors and make any repairs if needed, right? Where are the couple of areas we need to
The
fix? The
front.
front, yeah. Because that's just ductwork sheet metal. It's not even like the proper stuff. It's way too thin. All right, save those bolts. 'Cause when you get the seat out, you can put them right back in the hole.
From up here.